Hey everyone, welcome to our Computer Science Week challenge. And in this challenge, we are going to actually be using Python, which is an easier version of syntax to understand. Um, Now, for this challenge, you will see in the resource that we have actually hyperlinked the website. But if you look in the upper left-hand corner, you can see we're going to cscircles.cemc.uwaterloo.ca and it's /console. This is part of the University of Waterloo resource in terms of coding. They do quite a bit. And while we will walk you through how to get started using this platform, please note that even beyond the scope of these challenges, there are a ton of resources that are totally free and open source for students to use. If they like this, they can go on and continue on with their learning and even go as far as to entering like the Beaver coding competition and have the opportunity to win prizes and things like that. Now, how this really works is you will see that there's a console below, and we put in the notes how to get started. So what students are going to have to do is you're going to scroll down to the console and you're going to click right beside the 1, and we just have to set up some values and numbers because that's really what the challenges are all about here. So what we're going to do is we are going to type in 4 and then space does matter in this, and we're going to put 4x in range and brackets 1 comma 10, and then we're going to add a colon on the end. So once you have this, you're going to hit enter, and you'll know there's a little indentation on line 2, which is okay. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in print and then bracket x. And if you're not really familiar with this, what this is really saying is we're trying to set the parameters of numbers. So we want to set a range of numbers. So we're going to basically set x or term numbers in the range of 1 to 10. But because it's 1 to 10, we're really going to have 9. And this print option here is really just saying show me the x values. So show me these term numbers. So whenever you're done with your code, you're going to hit the run program button. And when you hit that, we should see a series of these term numbers come up, which is great. Now, I'm not going to give away too much in the challenges, but you're going to see that we've given you a series of numbers and you're trying to change the output. So what we really want you to do is, for this Alan Turing challenge, we really want you to remix and debug code. So for example, let's say I wanted these numbers to increase by a given amount. What I could do is I could go to the print x, and I could do something like this. I could add 2. So for every x value, this means I'm adding 2. So if I want to see what that looks like for my term numbers, I hit run program. And now you will see, so where I had 1, I now have 3, where I have 2, I have 4, so on and so forth. So if I wanted to change that again to have maybe x plus 3, and I hit run program, it'll give me a different output. Now remember, in this right now we're dealing with addition, but in Python, one of the challenges will require you to do multiplication. And multiplication in Python is an asterisk. So just so you could see quickly, if we run this program, it'll give us these values rather quickly. So it allows us and affords us the opportunity to find really large products in a short amount of time. And of course, I could change this range to find infinite numbers of problems really quickly. We hope you have fun with this task, and we hope this video is beneficial in allowing you to solve some of the problems. Thanks, everyone.